Windows microphone are working. If you use your computer for meetings, online classes, gaming or recording, you know how frustrating it can be when the microphone simply doesn't work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose and fix the main reasons why your microphone stops working on Windows. When the microphone doesn't work, the problem is usually in one of these areas: the physical connection, it is the cable, the USB port, and etc. Okay, so the Windows sound settings, it can be as well, app permissions like Zoom, Teams, Discord, and etc. Outdated or faulty audio drivers, and advanced privacy and volume settings. Okay, so the good news is, in many cases, it's not a hardware issue. So before changing settings, let's rule out the obvious. Make sure the microphone is properly connected. If it's USB, test the different USB port, and if it's a 3.5mm jack, that is the normal, in the very usual. If it's the correct port, usually it's pink or with a microphone icon. The number 2 is check if the microphone or headset has a physical mute button. Sometimes they have a switch on the cable or in the headset itself that mutes the microphone. The number 3 in the same first step is test in another device. So to plug the microphone into another computer or phone with adapter if needed. If it doesn't work anywhere, the issue might be on the microphone itself. And if everything looks fine physically, then it's time to jump into Windows settings. So the step number 2, guys, is select the correct microphone in Windows. So very often the microphone doesn't work simply because the Windows is using the wrong input device. I'm going to give you my example. I use a Bluetooth headset. So this Bluetooth headset has two type of connections. Has the type of the cable that I'm using right now, because it have a better quality when it's plugged with the cable. Okay, it's very different when it's not plugged in and it's running by itself by Bluetooth. So to record, I use the cable to get the better quality. So when I plug the cable, that's what happened. It creates another device. Okay, so the headphone 4 Foxy H3, it's my headset, the Bluetooth mode. If I click here, everything will stop, including my mic. Okay, so as I plug the cable, it created this one. So I'm using this one. So you have to check if that is happening to you as well. If you are using Windows 10, you're going to click right here and you go on Open Volume Mixer. And that thing will not open in the Windows 10. That will open, let me see, it will open just like that. Okay, so as you can see, it has a lot of headphones right here. And as I said, it created this one. If I click and test right here, it will give you a sound. But if I click right here, it won't. It is working, but it's working on my Bluetooth, and it will only work if I take off my cable. Okay, and that one is my my external sound. So, and you have to see if this the default device is on the correct one, because it's right here set as default. It won't work the one that is actually plugged. So you have to check each one by testing, clicking the right button and testing to see which one will get out in your head. That one, then you're going to click the right button and go on set as default device. And that one is the playback, but it's very important. As we want the microphone to work, we are going on recording right here. And when you click in the recording right here, the same thing will happen. Okay, so you have to see which one is getting out. Test. And as you can see, that one is working. So we are going to click the right button and go on set as default. I click it in the one below because as this one is already in default, it won't show. But you have to click and go in this option right here, set as default device. Okay, Another option, guys, is go to the same place right here on this step number 3 and adjust the microphone volume and levels. Sometimes the mic is technically working, but the input volume is so low that nobody can hear. Okay, so still in the sound settings right here, we are going on the right button and go on properties, go on levels, and sometimes the microphone level is very low, so you go and put on the 100%. Okay, click OK and apply. Sometimes it's still on the recording page here on properties. Sometimes we have an extra option right here that is said boost, and sometimes is in the levels right here on advanced. You have some options like boost, gain, and you can do it, and you can apply on the boost and the gain and raise it a bit, but don't overdo it because you have to avoid the noise. Okay, so test again by speaking and watching the input bar. The step number 4, guys, is check Windows microphone permissions. So Windows 10 and 11 has privacy controls that can completely block the microphone for all apps. So open the Windows settings and go on privacy security. And right here we are going to see app permissions, and you go on microphone. And here on microphone, on the private security, you have to see if that option microphone access is on. And right here, let app access your microphone if the apps that you want to use actually is turned on. If it's not turned on, it won't work. So you scroll down and enable access for the apps that you use like Zoom, Teams, Discord, and etc. So without those permissions, apps will never be able to use the microphone, even if the sounds settings are correct. Okay. The next step, guys, is use the Windows troubleshooter. So you're going to click the Windows option and write troubleshoot settings. And right here, we are going to click in other troubleshooters. We are going to choose the audio. So here on troubleshooters, we are going on audio and go and run. We are going to wait a little bit. It will ask if they have consent to run the automated diagnosis. Okay, I'll go and click in yes. It will run a lot of tests. Okay, it will ask you a lot of questions. Okay, like did you hear the sound beep that played during the scan? Click yes, and so on. So do it until the end and see if the results. So if your Windows microphone isn't working, most of the time the issue is wrong input device selected, input volume too low, the microphone permissions blocked, or a problematic driver. Okay, so following those step by step, you move from no idea what's happening to I know exactly where the problem is and how to fix it. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.